Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today we're building another mobile tool cart, but this time we're going to be doing it so that we can hold on to our paint and our bolt bins and a larger bolt bin that is in the other room. That is because this is a disaster. That takes up way more space than it needs to, and I need to remove it so that I can put a saw there. The saw's down on the floor right now. As you can kind of see, there isn't much room to move around and work, and I need to be able to do that. So this is the next project that is going to free up the most space and boost productivity and production and everything the most. Show you guys how I did it. It's not really going to be a very comprehensive video, more just me doing it, and it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to start off by building, I'll just show you. I'm going to start off by building, I think, a frame skeleton on this this set of wheels that I got from another table saw that I no longer own. I bought the table saw for $100. I took the mobile base off of it because that's all I wanted, and then I cleaned it, made it beautiful on top, paste waxed it, did everything to it nice. It was a very powerful saw. I wish I could have kept it. Just didn't have room here and it didn't make sense. But I sold it for $200, and that's half, right? So I bought it for the wheels, made $100. I used that set of wheels for this mobile tool cart. I was going to use it for some tools, but I don't have any tools that I need to use it for. The only other thing I might have done was use it for my planer, but I think we'll get another base for that and do a whole other setup.
That's the big stuff. Tell me if I do want to go for it.
this whole side of the tool cart hardware cart is going to be left empty. That and the top of this side where I have these bucket organizers. The reason is, like the 90-10 rule, 90% of this problem is solved in 10% of the time, and that's kind of what we've done here. We've gotten rid of 90% of the hardware in 10% of the time that it would take to finish this thing all out completely. The other 90% of the time that it would take to build this completely is only going to solve the last 10% of the problem, which is, things like this that I have to sort yet or organize a little bit better. So this solved most of the problem right away, and that's why also going to take this paint off. That's why I cut the video where I did. Instead, I'm going to have a much narrower cart. It's got a base this big. It's going to be probably about this tall. I have all the paint on it. I'm also going to have another one for glues, I think, about the same size, nice and small, and all 4 wheels rotate, and that way I can drag it around really quick. If I want to paint something, I just walk over and I can drag it with me. If I wanted to paint something and all my paint's on here, you saw in the beginning of this video how hard it is to move that thing. Really ideal to be dragging that around. I'll just leave the side that I don't use very often tucked up against the wall, and if I need something I can pull it straight out and I can access the back of it, and then I can just push it straight back to the wall. That's probably how I'm going to use this for the most part. I'll see as time goes and I can add or remove things. It's kind of the same as my other tool cart that I have right there. Most of it is done, but the last 10% up here on the back side is going to take 90% of the time to do. It becomes, is it worth my time right now to try to solve that issue when there's other things and other logistical problems in the shop that could get fixed right now, and the shop will become more functional, more efficient, and then there will be more time for other projects, or we can finish other projects faster. In the long run, it's I think a better investment to just get it to good enough. Sounds stupid, but to get the shop infrastructure to good enough, then we can spend more time on projects that need to be really awesome. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.